Lie down on your back, toes pointed. Fold your both legs, hands near to your hips. Now side stretch. आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, दिस इज फॉर आवर ग्लूट्स. ईस्ट साइड 10. और जब आप ये स्ट्रेच करें तो यू कैन फील द नाइस स्ट्रेच ऑन योर साइड्स एंड एज वेल एज ऑन योर ग्लूट्स. Keep breathing. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Relax. Straight your both legs. Now fold your right leg and hold it from your both hands. Stretch up towards the chest. Hold. Hold for next 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Toes should be pointed. And just feel the nice stretch on your hamstring and glutes. Keep breathing. This is a very good exercise for your hamstring and your glutes. Keep breathing. Toes should be pointed. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Relax. Now fold your leg together and hold it from your hand. Raise your chest and nose between both the knees. Hold this posture. This is a pawanmuktasana. ये आपके गैस्ट्रिक के लिए बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है. Relax. Now fold your both leg, hand near to your hips. Lift your hips and down towards the ground, up, down. Inhale करते हुए ऊपर की तरफ. Exhale, relax. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. अभी हम जो 3 एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. दिस इज अ वेरिएशन ऑफ ब्रिज पॉस्चर. कीप ब्रीदिंग. और ये जो पॉस्चर है ये आपके ग्लूट्स को अपलिफ्ट करने में बहुत बहुत सहायक है. कीप ब्रीदिंग. कीप ब्रीदिंग. डीप इनहेल, डीप एक्सहेल. वेरी स्लो मूवमेंट. इनहेल करते हुए ऊपर की तरफ. एक्सहेल down. Initially 10 repetition is good enough for this asana. Now inhale करते हुए raise your buttocks and raise your leg. Now down, relax. Now change your leg. Inhale, raise, exhale, down. Each leg 5. Keep breathing. ये आपकी बैक को भी काफ़ी स्ट्रेंथन देता है. Keep breathing. Lift your leg. Relax. Change your leg. एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखें कि हमें लेग पहले रेज नहीं करना है. पहले आपको ग्लूट्स को रेज करना है. उसके बाद जब आप वो रेज करेंगे उसके बाद आपको लेग को रेज करना है. टोज शुड बी पॉइंटेड. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Very nice. Keep breathing. Deep inhale, deep exhale. आप एक चीज़ भी देखेंगे कि आपकी जो हैमस्ट्रिंग है वो थोड़ी सी स्ट्रेच हो रही है. तो ये आपकी जो स्ट्रेस होता है हैमस्ट्रिंग को उसको भी रिलीज़ करता है. नाउ होल्ड. होल्ड. दिस इज़ योर ब्रीथ posture. Hold as much as you can. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Deep inhale, deep exhale. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी नेक में स्ट्रेन आ रहा है, बैक में स्ट्रेन आ रहा है, तो इमीडिएटली कम बैक. क्योंकि योगा का किसी भी पॉस्चर को अगर हम जर्क मूवमेंट करते हैं या फिर कोई पेन आता है तो वी हैव टू स्टॉप इमीडिएटली. Now this is tabletop crisscross posture. Deep inhale, deep exhale. This is also a very good exercise for your glutes. At the same time, a very good exercise for your back. Now change your hand and leg, opposite side, right hand and left leg and right hand. Keep breathing. Inhale karte hue raise, exhale bend and try to touch your elbow to the knees. Keep breathing. Very nice. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now from here, just lift your one hand on your waist and lift your left leg. Inhale, raise, exhale, down. Inhale, raise, exhale, down. This exercise is for your sides and for your glute, of course. Keep breathing. Repeat the same repetition from the other leg. Relax. Now from here, go to pawanmuktasana, mountain posture. Keep breathing. Hold for next 5 seconds. Now raise your right leg and hold for next 10 count. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. This is very good exercise for your glutes, for your hamstring, for your tummy, for your back. Keep breathing. Hold this posture and look at your nabi center. Keep breathing. Just remember, toes should be pointed. Now from here, fold your right leg, then left, right, left. Keep breathing. कोशिश कीजिए जो आपका नी का पार्ट है वो आपके चेस्ट को टच करे. Keep breathing. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Very nice. Keep breathing. Now from here, downward dog walk. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. ये आपके hamstring के जो stress होता है उसको release करता है. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Now from here, lift your right leg up, down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Relax, relax. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Focus on your entire breath. Keep breathing. Thank you.